What's the meaning of Boot Hill? Boot Hill. Boot Hill.
Boot Hill. Boot Hill. Boot Hill is a term used to refer to a cemetery, particularly one where many of the deceased are buried with their boots on as a symbol of a violent death. The term has its origins in the American Old West, where gunfights and other types of violence were common, and many people died before their time. Today, the term is often used in a more figurative sense to refer to any cemetery that has a particularly high number of burials due to violent deaths. Overall, Boot Hill is a somber reminder of the dangers and risks that were once a daily part of life in the rough and tumble world of the Old West.